Ever pondered over the chaotic ballet that unfurls in the aftermath of a car crash? Picture this, the symphony of tires screeching as two vehicles collide at a bustling intersection, a dissonant melody that shatters the monotony of an ordinary day. Shards of glass twinkle on the asphalt, a glittering testament to the pandemonium that just erupted. In an instant, the scene transforms. Bystanders, once mere spectators of the urban theater, spring into action. Their fingers dance over their phone keypads, dialing the 3 digits that signal distress, 911. The air grows heavy with the acrid stench of burning rubber, an olfactory reminder of the danger that lurks just around the corner. The once innocuous vehicles now lay mangled, their metallic frames twisted into grotesque sculptures by the harsh hand of fate. The drivers, trapped in their steel cages, are victims of shock, their minds struggling to comprehend the sudden upheaval. Then in the distance, the sirens begin their mournful wail, a crescendo that grows louder with every heartbeat. The cavalry arrives. Paramedics, the unsung heroes of our cities, descend upon the scene. With practiced hands and steady eyes, they attend to the injured, their swift actions a balm to the chaos. Ambulances, their strobes cutting through the haze, stand ready to whisk the injured away, their doors a gateway to hope and healing. The intersection, once a mundane crossroads, morphs into a temporary hub of emergency response, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. As the dust settles, investigators step in, their keen eyes dissecting the scene, their minds working overtime to piece together the jigsaw puzzle of this unfortunate event. The once bustling intersection now stands still, a silent witness to the fragility of life and the strength of humanity. So, next time you hear the screech of tires and the shattering of glass, remember the intricate ballet that unfolds in the aftermath. It's a poignant reminder of our collective strength and resilience, a testament to the tireless efforts of our emergency responders, and a tribute to the unsung heroes who step up in times of crisis.